Yeah? Okay. Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going, man? Alright, we're going to do a quick garlic bread. So, I've got some toast. I'll put this on while I start, okay? So, toast some nice, tasty bread. Okay. Alright. Now, the ingredients over here. Don't mind all the mess. We're actually like fixing the shower at the moment. So, real butter, okay, salted butter, fresh parsley. I've got Italian parsley here from my garden, and a couple of cloves of real garlic. Don't use fake stuff. Don't use ground stuff. Use everything fresh and real. So, I'm going to get 3 big cloves. Garlic, I want a really garlicky one. And bam, crush them down. Get rid of the paper. Bam, crush them down. Alright. Third one. Whoop, it's gone. Okay, didn't want that one anyway. So I happen to have another one here that I prepared earlier. As I said, quick and nasty. Alright, so I'm going to need a microwave-proof cup to do this. I want all my garlic. So, alright, so now this will do. Just a normal teacup will do. So this is just for me and my friend Kat here behind the camera. So, I'm going to chop them down a little bit. The garlic. And put in there. And then we'll get a nice chunk of butter, say about that much. Should be about 20, 30, between 20 and 40 grams would be my estimate. Don't put in the parsley yet, so we're going to microwave this. I'd say 30 seconds. What is that? Something from last time. Piglets were here. Toast is still in there, toasting away. Alright, there we go. And then I need a plate. This will do. So, I'm going to do maybe another one for Catherine. So you don't want a bent one, right? You're going to want a straight one. Yeah. But while that's toasting, I can show you. There you go. So that's that one. And then you want your fresh parsley. Put it in there. Now, of course, you could do this in the oven properly, which is a different way. You'd have to put this in the raw bread and then bake it in the oven with, alfoil until it's crispy. Probably about 15 minutes if it's open. And then, as I said, this is just the fast version. Pour it on top of your lovely bread here that's toasted. And voila, you have fast garlic bread. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Teach us out. God bless. Ciao.